Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I started my YouTube career in January 2023 and it took me 5 months before I got back to posting a second video. Why? It was such a mental task. I thought I didn't have all the equipment, I thought I didn't know what to do. All I had at my disposal was just my phone. And as one that has shot what 3-4 videos consistently, I finally hacked what it takes to start a YouTube career with just your phone. And in today's video, I'll be showing you just how I'm able to do it. So yes, no more procrastinating. This is all you need to begin your YouTube career. So first, guys, let's talk filming. I mean, that's the frequently asked question. How do I film? What do I use? All I got was three things: a ring light, a microphone, and my phone. That was it. So I'll show you how I film. So guys, here's how I film. For filming, like I mentioned, all I use is my tripod, my phone, and that's pretty much the most basic self setup I have. So this is my tripod. It's a 24-inch. It can go all the way up. I highly recommend. It can go all the way up, but I'm not using that now because of my background, right? So you set up your tripod to, fit exactly where you are. Why is a tripod important? I mean, you don't want to hold your phone. Your phone could not be sturdy. It could be shaking and all of those. So you need something to, keep your phone in a very stable position and just speak, right? So you want to set your tripod. If you don't have, today I have a very good natural light. If I don't have a natural light, the tripod can, come on. Oh, I need to plug it. Sorry. This is as real as it can get, guys. So if I plug my tripod, let me see if it's really, really plugged. 1 second. So yes, if I plug my tripod, it can come on and help with brightening, and it can keep going as bright as whatever it is you want it to be. So a tripod with light is very, very important because you want to talk lighting. And because today I'm enjoying natural light, sorry, I don't need my tripod light. But it's very, very important. For example, if you want to film at night, you don't know what to do. So having a tripod is a very, very important step in your filming. So now let's talk microphone. So guys, like I said, the next thing is microphone. Extremely important. So you want to ensure that you produce as the best audio as you could. Now, one mic I highly recommend, I love so much, is the K9 mic. This mic is very affordable but does the trick. I can't remember the price to be honest, but I think it should be under 25,000 naira. I'm pretty much sure of that. But with the way things are skyrocketing in the market, I can't guarantee, but that's what I know. So with this K9 mic, it does the job of noise cancellation, right? So right now, as I'm filming, a fan is on, Jen is on outside, but you can't hear anything. All you would hear is my voice. It comes in two pairs, right? So it comes with this, it has another one, and a receiver that you plug to your phone, right? So it's a receiver, it's part of it. So when you plug the receiver to your phone, you can clip your mic and it just picks up your audio. As simple as that. So guys, my next point to you will be invest in a good microphone. So guys, the next thing I want to talk about is background. Your background is very, very important in filming a video. So you want to ensure that you have as much clear space as possible. Everywhere is clean. So typically I will sit and ensure that it's either I have a white wall or something decorative or something nice, or it's clear. Because your background has a way of elevating your video. You don't want to, have different distracting things and people are not paying attention to you, but they're paying attention to your environment. So again, a simple white wall is fine. If you want to have a wallpaper, it's fine. Don't overthink it. Don't try to do too much. A clear background does the trick. I guarantee you that. Now you already have your tripod stand and you have put your phone in a steady position. If you're just starting and you're like, oh my God, I need to have a tripod stand first, I'm here to bust your bubble. Stack things up. You can. There was something I was using to film before. I mean, all of us has been there. Let's not act like we don't know. You stack things up and to help stand like a tripod till we are able to afford a tripod, right? So get started immediately. Ensure your background is clear. Ensure your audio is good. I mean, the iPhone audio has a very good quality. However, if you're going to be filming far from your phone, it might not pick up your audio as much as it would you normally do. So that's why you need to invest in a microphone. Now, the next thing you need to do is to create a content calendar. One thing a lot of people say is, Okay, I've filmed my first video, I've filmed my intro video, I don't know what to film next. Now, in creating a content calendar, this is where a lot of people get paralyzed. They think I need to create content around a specific niche. I need to niche down. I need to do this, I need to do that. Hell no. When it comes to YouTube, I feel like your niche will at the end of the day find you. Why do you want to put yourself in a box? As a human being, you are constantly evolving, you are constantly changing. So why do you think that your interest this year will be your interest next year? I mean, it's okay to streamline to things that interest you and all of those, but I feel like you should not put yourself in a box because you're trying to niche down. That should not, bring you to the point where you're not open to exploring other ideas, if you know what I mean. So create a content calendar around things you're excited to talk about, around things you're excited to do, around the value you're bringing to YouTube. I think for YouTube, think about the value you're bringing to the table, right? Have that mapped out. It could be around different sectors. Put them out and see which performs best. That will help you streamline and know what your audience is interested in. And also take feedback. Very, very important. So I show my videos to my friends, to my husband, to people around me. What do you think? What can I talk about? And as a gym, for example, I'm a gym body. I post like a lot of gym content, especially on my WhatsApp and Instagram. And today someone said, please, I would like to see your um, workout routine. That's not typically something I would show on a YouTube video, but I'm going to film that video because why? Someone is requesting it. So take feedback. Even if you have like 2 followers, be very, very interested in sharing value that's going to feed to them, right? So value, create a content calendar, and don't be afraid to explore. So guys, the next thing I want to talk about is editing. This is where the problem is. And a lot of people think that it's a huge challenge. I will recommend 3 apps that I use for editing, and it's as easy as including a video, cropping, and just the basics. So you want to try iMovie for iPhone. iMovie is a very basic but very helpful YouTube platform. If you don't know how to use iMovie, just click on YouTube right now, how to use iMovie, and to come out immediately. Second platform that is not so popular but I really love is the VN video editor platform. That helps that helped me create my vlog in like what 20 minutes. It's very, very helpful. Again, you can always YouTube how to use it. Third platform will be CapCut. CapCut is very understated, but it's very, very important. These are the 3 platforms that I feel will help you change your YouTube editing game. Now you've edited your video. The next thing you want to talk about is what? Your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is what people see and what's going to determine whether or not they're going to click on your video. So you want to make sure your thumbnail is as appealing. You want to make sure your thumbnail clearly captures what your video is about and it's very enticing and will make everyone want to click. So yes, pay attention to your thumbnail. How do I create my thumbnail? On Canva. Canva has different templates that you can just pick up and create a thumbnail that will be relevant to you. So yes, guys, you want to check out that. Now you have your thumbnail. What's the next thing you want to do? You want to be sure that your title is very, very on point. Now, I advise people to use searchable titles. So you want to use titles that if someone is, again, think about this, people come on YouTube to find valuable information. So you want to make sure that your title is that kind of title that if they're searching around that area of content you created, your video is going to pop up, right? So use searchable titles. Use titles that are relevant and communicate the value that you bring to the table. Now there are AI tools, thankfully, that can help you generate very clickable titles. You just need to feed them with the right information. Example, the popular one, Chat GPT, my able assistant. Now, not just your title, you want to make sure your description also has the relevant keywords. Again, AI tools are here to help you. You can ask them to, add the relevant keywords they think will be important for your videos as well. And not just that, you want to ensure you use the right tags. Hashtags very, very important for searchability. So yes, guys, these are and all of this you can feel in the YouTube studio or when you're uploading on your laptop. Bring me to the end of this video. I trust we're able to find value. So I'll recap what I said. For filming, invest in a tripod, invest in a good microphone that will help cancel noise and produce the best audio you could possibly have and have a clear background. For editing, I said CapCut, VN editor, and iMovie. Very, very important. You can YouTube how to use them. I mean, you can literally YouTube anything. And again, I said ensure your thumbnails are on point. You can use Canva. Ensure you use the right description with relevant keywords and also use the right tags. Again, you can also click the upload button on your YouTube video and you get started. So say no to procrastination, get started, sit down, record that YouTube video today. I'll be sharing you on the other side. Until I come your way next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you shortly. Bye.